Can you see who viewed your Instagram highlights? So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about can you see who viewed your Instagram highlights? So yes, you can see who views your Instagram highlights, but only within a strict 48-hour window from the moment the story has originally posted. So to check your viewers, what you have to do is open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile to go to your Instagram profile, and then tap the highlight that you want to check. Now, swipe up the screen or tap the activity icon in the bottom left corner. Now you will see a list of accounts that have reacted to your story. Now, talking about the 48-hour rule, you can view a detailed list of exactly who viewed the highlight for the first 48 hours. The viewer list disappears. The view count will remain visible, but the specific names will become permanently anonymous after the 48 hours. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.